Hindi mo ba napapansin? Mga bulaklak ay magkakawangis, mga dahon ay magkakahugis. Hindi mo ba naitatanong? Mundo'y may ayos na sinusundan, sa math ninyo yan malalaman. Halina, sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro. Tuklasin ang math sa buhay natin, dali lang mag-math na tayo. Mga number at mga sign, di dapat katakutan. Ito ay mga simbolo ng gusto nating sabihin at malaman. Kaya sila'y kaibiganin at kayo'y magtataka, mundo'y mas mauunawaan. Halina, sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro. Tuklasin ang math sa buhay natin, dali na mag-math na tayo. Halina, sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro. Analisin, maging matinik.
Hi guys! Today, we're going to discuss about
Continuities
of a function. Enjoy!
Hi guys! Today, we're going to discuss to you continuity of a function. So at the basic level, teachers tend to describe continuous functions as those whose graphs can be traced without lifting your pencil. So without lifting your pencil, meaning when you graph, dapat hindi siya napuputol. Tuloy-tuloy, ganyan. That's continuity. So, in calculus, a function is continuous at x is equals to a if and only if all three of the following conditions are met. So, these are the three conditions. First is f of a should be defined. The function is defined at x is equals to a, that is f of a is equals to a real number. Second is the limit of the function as x approaches a exists. The third condition is the limit of the function as x approaches a is equals to the function value at x is equals to a. So here is an example of a graph, and we're going to check or prove if continuity exists. So to check for continuity at x is equals to 0, we check the three conditions. First is the function defined at x is equals to 0? Yes. So f of 0 is equals to 2. Second is, does the limit of the function as x approaches 0 exist? Yes, it exists. Limit as x approaches 0 of f of x is equals to 2. The third condition is, does the limit of the function as x approaches 0 equal to the function value at x is equals to 0? Yes, it's equal because 2 and 2 is equal. So since all three of the conditions are met, f of x is continuous at x is equals to 0. So next, we're going to provide you three examples, and we're going to prove or check if continuity exists on those functions. So this is our first example. The function is given, we are given this function, and the c is equals to 1. So what we're going to do is to check for the function first. So what we're gonna do is we substitute 1 to x. So it will look like this. So here we're going to prove for the limit. We're going to solve. So the limit of 2 minus 5x raised to 3 as x approaches 1. Here, we can say that this is a continuity because the three conditions were met. First is f of a exists. It exists. Second is the limit of f of x exists. Third is it's the same. They have the same answer. So it is a continuity. So this is our second example. We are given this function and c is equal to 2. So this is our last example. We're given this function and our c is equal to negative 1. So here, the first condition was not met. See, it does not exist. F of a does not exist. And they don't have the same value. So here, we call this one discontinuous because the three conditions were not met. So that's all, guys. See you next meeting. Bye-bye.
Hope you enjoyed! Click here to subscribe!